Hello, welcome back. Yeah, I think in the first video, the part one, we have discussed about how the OncoPPi portal will work, and we saw what are the different features which is available at the home page with respect to home PPI data sets. And now we are going to explore with respect to what is there in the network tab. So I have clicked on the network, and whenever you saw in the network, you have to click on the first link, which is called as OncoPPi. And as it is discussed in the home itself, that is, it will also give you the information with respect to MYC NanoPCA. So we're going to see what is the both of this particular data is providing in front of us. So I have clicked on the OncoPPi. Once I click on that, I got this particular page which get reopened over here, which is explaining about the high throughput protein-protein interaction data sets for lung cancer associated genes. So here you will find the particular interactions with respect to the PPI interactions, and you will find how many genes are there and what type of interaction it is. So you will find how many nodes are there in this particular network. So here, whereas this particular network has been constructed by using the statistical property which has been given over here, you will find the p value, the q value of that, and you can also click on different features which is available, which is showing the PPI with the mutual exclusive. So it show the PPI with the exclusive with the genomic alterations. So if you click on that, you will find the particular interactions get reconstructed, and it will give you the particular mutual interactions of PPI with respect to genomic alterations. So what is this? If you want to see over here, you can just you have your particular mouse in this particular search, and you will find what type of information it is providing. If you click on domain and domain interactions, so you will get the interactions of PPI with the predicted domain and domain interactions, whereas here it is giving a co-localized protein. So you will find the predicted co-localized protein PPI interaction network only with respect to the lung cancer, which has been given as an example over here. So you can also use the different settings which is available. You can change the different this particular network with respect to different layout, which has been provided as a circle, grid, random, and different in options which has been given over here. So whereas here it is provided as a legend. So what this particular network is been giving me the particular information, what this particular colors has been indicating. So if you want to find here it is giving in the lesions, the circle is nothing but the proteins which has been given in the interactions. You will find the gene mutations, okay, which has been highlighted in the green color, and gene amplifications which has been given in the red color, and gene deletions which has been given in the blue color. And you will find this particular interactions is nothing but the PPI interactions with mutual exclusive of genomic alterations. Why? Because we have clicked on that particular search, and based on that we want the particular interactions. You can even use the different examples which has been given over here, and you can get your particular interaction network over here. So this is the example which they have been provided, and they have given how what this particular informations which you will find all the gene which has been given over here, okay, the list of genes which is actually available in this particular network. Whereas if you're not interested to get this particular gene list and have a PPI network, you can even give your own search. So can you see over here it is given as enter HUGO gene names. So you can manually give the particular search over here as a list of genes if it's available with you. So you can just give your particular search, and by giving you can just click on search, and if you click on search, the particular network will be get reconstructed with respect to taking whatever the data sets which is available in this particular OncoPPi portal. And you will find the particular plot which has been given to you. So you can also get to know how this particular network hub proteins has been constructed based on the network, and what is the particular degree based on the plot they have been given over here. So you can just refer if you want to see in your particular search of your interest, which is a particular gene, which is showing a maximum interactions with respect to different genes, which is available over here. So you can even see what has been given a help page. You will get the particular heat map. Okay, so not only you will get the particular construction of the particular PPI, but also you will get the heat map of that. You can even save the image, and also it is given as export PPI data. Not only you will get the image, but also you can get the actual data by exporting this particular network from here. Okay, so this is regarding the lung cancer, which has been given over here. Whereas you can just see what is available in MYC NanoPCA. So if I click on that, here you will find another network, which is respect to the, I think, with respect to the pathway, that is MYC, and you will find the particular p value, and you will find the particular cell lines. So it is based on the cell lines. If you remember that in the PPI data set, I have saw there is available of therapeutic information. So based on the cell lines, this particular network has been constructed. So you will find the particular cell lines. Again, here you can give your own particular gene of list based on whatever the particular cancer type you're working. So it is with respect to the network and based on the OncoPPi and MYC. If I click on essentiality, what actually I will be getting over here. So here you will find the statistical property based on the essentiality. Again, the setting will be the same. The legends you can change. Okay. Here you will find the different colors. Okay, so these colors are indicating based on the essentiality of the particular gene interactions, whereas here you will find the list of cell lines which is available. So I think if you're working with respect to finding the particular potential target and also having the particular evidences based on the particular cell lines, so I think this particular network will help you a lot. And yeah, definitely here you will get all the particular cancer type which has been available in this particular OncoPPi. So if you want to have a particular search, that is you want to work on only particular cancer type, that particular thing is also available. So you can also click on the all particular cancer type. Here you will find all the particular cell lines is get selected. Whereas if you are interested in the breast cancer, so you will get you have to select from here which is a particular uh, cell line, and you want to work and you want to construct the particular PPI network. Okay, and definitely here you will find very nice, that is the pathways which are associated with this particular uh, gene target, and you will get the particular cell lines. Okay, and definitely you will find the particular pathways which are associated with this particular interactions. So you are getting a very nice informations by exploring the particular OncoPPi network, and you can definitely grab this particular platform for your particular research oriented applications. And you can find a very nice interactions with respect to PPI. You will find the nice interactions with respect to pathways, cell lines, and the cancer type which has been associated with respect to that particular list of genes if it is available in your hand. So there is here this particular all the pathways you will find and interactions in this particular essentiality and in the therapeutic connectivity. So in therapeutic connectivity, you will find a very nice interaction network. So this visualizations will give you a very nice interaction network. So here you will find the OncoPPi network linked to the tumor suppressor to actionable target and the cancer drugs. So here from here also you can find the particular gene of your interest. Okay, and you will find the particular legends and the drugs. So this particular network is with respect to a PPI network and also the protein and drug interaction network. So again, you are getting a very nice network with respect to your target search. and the rest will be the same. You can provide the list of gene if you have, or if you are working with respect to some literature survey, if you have a data in your hand with respect to the drugs which has been associated with the cancer type, and here you can even construct the same. Okay, so I think this particular OncoPPi will give you a nice overview how to construct the particular interaction network based on the PPI interaction network, or the cell line protein and the pathways interaction network, or the protein drug interaction network. Lots of different interaction network you can create, and you can definitely use for the publications point of view. And here you will find the different user guide, how actually if you are beginner, if you don't know how to use, you can even refer this particular user guide, which has been given in the form of PDF, and you will find all the manuals which has been given, what actually you need, and how to give the particular search, which is the different data sets they have been used, which are the different algorithms they have been used to create this particular platform, and also how the different databases they have been integrated to link the particular data, and to design the particular, or to construct the particular network. So here you will find the string, biogrid, impact, gene mania are the different data sets they have been used to create the network. And for the domain and domain interactions, they have used the PFAM database. And for the mutual exclusive of the genomic alterations, they have used the TCGA database for finding the alterations with respect to the PPI network. And for the essentiality, they have used the cell lines. And again, for the protein drug connectivity, whatever the interaction network you have got in the therapeutic connectivity, it has been whatever the drugs has been extracted, it is based on the FDA approved drugs, and it has been extracted from drug banks. So I think you all know who are working with respect to the PPI, they know how the drug bank will work. And yes, definitely the drug bank will provide you very nice drug list with respect to the search of your interest. Okay, and here you will find again the same whatever I have explored you in this particular demonstration, the all thing you will get. And you can even use this for your uh, reference purpose, to how to give the particular data, how to download the data sets and different informations. And with respect to that, you will again find the different resources and publications, which are the different resources they have been extracted. For the cancer genomics and proteomics, you will find different databases and portals which has been available. And you will find protein interaction, you will find different databases, again the links you will find over here. And for therapeutic connectivity, they have used again the different databases. And for that, you will find the different publications which has been available. So it will help you to guide and to get to know how this particular methodology pipeline they have been used to construct this particular platform, and how this particular what type of novel analysis they have done, and what type of different interaction network they have been constructed. So I think this will giving you a very brief idea to how to start with your particular research, and how to utilize this particular OncoPPi. Definitely in the next video, I will come up with a nice different database or some tool, or to help you with respect to bioinformatics aspect, or else which help you with respect to the cancer based analysis in the form of omics based approach. So thank you.